Ever feel like managing your projects is a tangled mess? Today, we're diving into Git and GitHub, the dynamic duo that brings order to the chaos and the power to collaborate like never before. First up, think of Git as a super-powered save point system for your files. It's a distributed version control system, meaning it tracks every single change you make to your project, allowing you to revert to previous versions or explore different ideas without fear of losing your work. Every time you want to record your file, you can take a snapshot, tracking who did it, when, and a note of why. Because Git is distributed, it lives on your computer. This means that unlike other systems, you don't need the internet to get your work done. You have a local copy of your project and its history, so you can work from anywhere. Now, enter GitHub. GitHub is like a central hub where you can store your Git repositories online or remote repositories. It's a web-based platform built around Git. GitHub makes collaboration easy. It's not just a storage space. It's a place where developers can work together on the same project, contribute to open-source projects, review each other's code, and build amazing things as a team. You can download others' code from a repository to your local machine. From small personal projects to massive enterprise applications, Git and GitHub are the backbone of modern software development. Whether you're a coding newbie or a seasoned pro, understanding these tools is essential.